Uneeda Ekasand 3x4 sander. It's got 9,000 RPMs, 3 variable speeds. And what I love about this sander is the variety of sandpaper that you have. So the kit actually comes with your little backing pad, a 10mm soft pad, a 10mm firm pad, a variety of the abrasive film, a variety of the 5mm firm pads, and a variety of the 1/2" sponge pads. So it's basically going to give you everything that you need to be able to sand a project start to finish, and then you're able to just order what you use most easily. So I guess we can start doing some sanding. First up, I'm gonna throw on the backing pad on the sander, because when I'm using the flat film, this actually helps your sander really glide across what you're sanding, so you're not fighting it. Before I did this, I turned the vacuum down so the suction isn't actually sucking the sander to the surface you're sanding, because you really just want it to glide across the surface to scuff the area nice and smooth. So let's get to it. What I like to do when I'm sanding my cabinet doors is I will sand short way across the panel first, and then as I'm sanding across the panel, when I work my way all the way to the end, I'll turn the sander and do a couple passes across it the long way. So after I've sanded all the flats with the backing pad and your regular sandpaper, what I'm gonna do is actually switch over to the 1/2" sponge pad to be able to sand all the contours quickly. You're just scuffing them up. You don't want to spend too much time on this so you don't burn through the edges of what you're sanding. After I do that, I'm gonna switch back over to the 5mm firm pad, and this is to really just make sure that the flats are extremely smooth and make a great surface for your top coat. And that is my process for sanding cabinets, and how fast using the Uneeda Ekasand really speeds up your time with doing projects like this. You!